Good morning. Positive for today. You know, most of the time, our emotionally unstable friend needs a friend to listen to. At tayo, bilang nandyan para makinig, kadalasan meron tayong tatlong tendency. Una, talagang mag-iisip tayo ng magandang advice for them. We try to fix their problems. Secondly, yung bago pa man sila magsalita or habang nagsasalita sila, bumubuo na tayo ng mga preconceived thoughts, interpretation, judgment about sa story na binabahagi nila. At ito yung nakalulungkot na part. At nahuhusgahan na natin sila unconsciously. Pangatlo, this is the best part. Talagang mag-offer ka lang ng listening heart. And with that, meron ako napanood na magandang linya from the series Young Sheldon. Sinabi dito,
Instead of trying to fix her problem, you just listen. People who are struggling emotionally often just need to be heard.
kadalasan hindi kailangan ng magandang advice. At wag na wag ka naman bumuo ng mga preconceived thoughts, interpretation, and judgment about the person. Ang pinakamagandang maibigay ay yung pusong nakikinig. Isang tunay na kaibigan. Love, love.